Hi! I've already done. Hopefully, lahat po ay napasalamatan ko at wala po ako nakalimutan. Para po sa mga gustong suportahan pa rin ako, syempre, patuloy pa rin po ang aking Kanta Chika, Kantok, with your one and only Lamega. Para po sa inyong awitin na to for my, serve as my last song for one of you. Thank you very much po. And I do hope nandyan lang po kayo always. See you, kita-kits po tayo sa susunod natin Kanta Chika. Happy Monday po! Talking to myself and feeling low. Sometimes I'd like to quit. Nothing ever seems to fit. Hanging around, nothing to do but frown. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. What I've got they used to call the blues. Nothing's really wrong, feeling like I don't belong. Walking around some kind of lonely cloud. Rainy days and Mondays always get me down. And once again, thank you very much, mga Lamega Natics. Maraming salamat po sa suporta na binigay niyo po sa akin. Hanggang sa susunod, maikli man ang presentation ko, at least organized po tayo. At sa mga magre-request po, huwag niyo po kalimutang i-PM ako at i-add ang aking YouTube channel, of course ang Lamega channel, at syempre ang aking Lamega Monica, ang aking Lamega Shopee 2.0. Maraming salamat po, at mula po sa kaibuturan ng aking puso, ayan, mahal na mahal ko po kayo. At hindi po magbabago yon. Hanggang sa susunod po na Kanta Chika, Kanto, with your one and only Lamega. I love you!